cold, dark, snowy night in February. Or maybe July. Not sure. Either way, it was night. Night as night could be. I was sitting in my office in my mother's basement when the call came across my radio. It was another dead church. This was the fifth one in as many weeks. I moseyed down to the coroner's office to take a gander, and I learned two things in my visit to the morgue. One, the coroner is a total quack, and two, the church had died from multiple causes. The coroner used a hypodermic needle to point out the multiple abrasions and indications of foul play. This church did not die of natural causes. There was definitely foul play afoot. This was the case of a lifetime. What caused this church's untimely death? Could it have been avoided? And what can we learn from the curious case of the dead church? Only time will tell.